ever been to a bat cave? I think they got more than 7 bats. We can go get aunties, cousins, nephews, nieces. Look, I want so many bats on this coffee bar. It scared the roaches away. What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday. So the last coffee bar, we transformed this space into something more fall festive. This time we're gonna switch it up, take down the fall decor, and use some goodies I have over here to transform it for Halloween. So if you're ready to be spooked, keep watching. Wait. But before we get started, have you subscribed yet? Come on, join the fam. Click the button. We love to have you. Okay guys, so the first thing I like to do is just remove all of the items from the previous coffee bar setup and get everything nice and wiped down so I can have a clean surface. If you want to see the making of the fall coffee bar, I'll be sure to link that in the iCards above. Okay, so now that we have the coffee bar nice and empty, what I did was I took down the fall decor. So for me, I like to take everything down and separate it into groups. So all this stuff will be bubble wrapped and thrown into storage. And then we can start taking the Halloween stuff and throwing it up on the coffee bar. So let's see what we can put together. So I'm just going to take this almond floor cleaner and use it to treat the wood surfaces up here. But for everyone that's new to my channel, I wanted to stop and introduce myself. Hello, my name is Cicely. I am a disabled mother by way of sickle cell anemia of 2 young boys. I felt it was important to be able to make content just to motivate people and let you know that if I can get up and take care of my home and my family, even through sickle cell crisis and hospitalizations, I want to encourage you that you can do the same. We can do it together. So I enjoy posting vlogs, decorate with me's, shopping hauls, organizational tips, and a lot of hosting ideas. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I would love for you to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Come on and join the family. We'd love to have you. So I decided to fill my gumball machine with eyeballs and skeletons, and I'm going to go ahead and just place the necessary pieces down on my coffee bar so I know what gaps I have available to fill with decor. This cute little ladder I found on Amazon, but I felt it needed to add a little bit more spookiness. So I'm just showing you how I pull and stretch on the webbing just to make it, look more realistic. So any webbing that you see in any videos around my house, this is how you basically make the spider webbing work. You just pull on any direction and it'll stretch, and you twist and turn it into whatever design you like. So how do you think it's coming along so far, guys? If you think I'm doing a good job, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Have you decorated for Halloween? Do you decorate for Halloween? Come on, let's chat. I just wanted to say that I appreciate you so much for taking the time out of your schedule to spend a couple minutes with me and decorate my coffee bar. And I just truly hope everyone is in a good headspace mentally and you're just, having positive thoughts and positive vibes. And if not, I hope you are on your way there. And always know you can leave me a comment. I'd love to chat with you. Okay, so I almost forgot to show y'all that you can write on this. So let me dust it off. And I'll take these two off. My sister-in-law is having a Halloween-themed baby shower. So I bought this for my coffee bar, but I figured it would be perfect for her party too. This is just a chalk marker. Oh my God, why do they have stuff double and triple sealed? Like, come on, is somebody gonna steal a marker? So now look, I'm gonna tell y'all now, my handwriting is the worst, so don't expect nothing cute. This is a Halloween video, so it's purposely supposed to be a little spooky. So I just put spooky season. Those are my little, crows crawling along and all that. So then we're going to pop it back on the bar and see what else we can come up with. So I think I'm going to put baby bat. No. I'm going to put mama bat right here, because she gonna chill out and she gonna make sure nobody don't use my new coffee cups, because she know I ain't playing. And then if you a mom out there, your kids ain't never far behind, child. So then we gonna put baby bat on the top tier. Okay, y'all, it's coming together. It's looking good. We got the top shelf done, bottom shelf looking good. In design, I like to back up and look at the project as a whole. And up close, it's like, oh, it's cute. But one thing I want you to try to learn is when you're designing a room, I know this is like seasonal holiday decor, but this is a tip anywhere, any season. When you're designing a room, all of your decor should not be bunched up in one spot. The eye should bounce around the room. So if your pop of color is black, blue, pink, purple, yellow, you should see at least groups of threes bounced around the room. So looking at this as a whole, it's like, all right, yeah, it's cute or whatever, but I gotta back up from it so I can get a more objective bird's eye view. And backing up, it's just not, this is good, but looking at my backs, it just doesn't make a big enough impact. And what's the point of design if you're not gonna make an impact? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bats. Have you ever been to a bat cave? I think they got more than 7 bats. We can go get aunties, cousins, nephews, nieces. Look, I want so many bats on this coffee bar, it scared the roaches away. So we'll be back. Okay, y'all, I went and found some relatives. I could be done here, but I just want to tie in the look and put some ribbon on my coffee and put some ribbon on my creamer. Of course, I need to add a hand towel. So I'll go ahead and do those things and we'll be ready for the reveal.
Hello, dead skeletons. I am the wizard known as Caden, and that is my assistant, Witch Mooney.
Hola.
Today we will be making some toxic brain juice, and we will show you the other potions later. Let's do it. Yeah.
We're gonna take some coconut grounded brain juice. Give it
the 9 from the 7th round.
okay, and then pour it in there and shake it up.
Yep, that's all you need. Just some classic water from Earth, which is where we are right now. And that's how you make some toxic brain juice.